Kung bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. Dreamboy66. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo update sa mga video na na-upload ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Buhay po lahat. God bless.
A few moments later.
Dito namin sa loob. Si Alan, nakaiwalay sa akin si Alan. Malit lang ito yung plano. Malamang transfer kami pagdating sa Omo. Dahil nung ano ko, ang Jerry ko nandun sa 29. Nakakapilit. First time masasakyan ng Oman. Oman Air. Update na lang kapag nandito na sa Oman. Si Adam. Wala si Adam.
Dear valued guests, as boarding is now complete, we are pleased to offer the availability and service offering of onboard upgrades. Onboard upgrades can be purchased by credit or debit card. Onboard upgrades are available from economy class to business class and economy to economy reserve seat with additional legroom. Please ask a member of a cabin crew for any. Dear valued guests, good morning. I'm your cabin director, Noemi. On behalf of Captain Saif Al-Jawari, we welcome you on board Oman Air WY686 to Muscat. Our flying time will be approximately 1 hour and 35 minutes. Today you'll find cabin crew members who can speak Arabic, English, Korean, and Tagalog. We would like to extend a warm welcome to our Oman Air holiday clients and members of Sinbad frequent flyers, including our junior Sinbad young travelers. Please contact our cabin crew during the flight should you wish to be a member. Safety regulations prohibit carrying any damaged, defective, or recalled lithium battery, including those contained in equipment. you're carrying such a device, please inform the cabin crew immediately. In preparation for takeoff, kindly switch off all electronic devices and mobile phones. Smoking is not allowed on board and usage of any electronic cigarette is strictly prohibited. All lavatories are fitted with smoke detectors. For takeoff, please ensure that your seatbelt is fastened, tray tables and footrests are stowed in back in the upright position, and place your hand luggage in the overhead stowage or under the seat in front of you. We wish you a pleasant flight and thank you for choosing Oman Air.
في حالة تعذر الرؤية في المقصورة فإن المصابيح المشعة الموجودة بالأرضية سوف ترشدكم إلى مخارج الطوارئ. توجد 8 مخارج للطوارئ على متن هذه الطائرة، 4 جهة اليمين و4 جهة اليسار. توجد ثلاجات للإغلاء على المخارج الأمامية والخلفية. في حالة سقوط اضطراري على الماء يتعين عدم استخدام المخارج الخلفية. يوجد تحديد أقرب مخرج ذاتي والذي قد كما نرجو إطلاق المستند الأمامي إذا كان متوفرا. يوجد تأكيد فتح السيارة الداخلة وضع حزام المقعد أحيانا قبل الإقلاع وإضاءة إشارة لا يستطيع استخدام أجهزة الإطلاق والإرسال المسيحية أثناء الرحلة ويتعين إغلاق جميع الهواتف والأجهزة الإلكترونية الأخرى عند الإقلاع والهبوط. لمزيد من المعلومات يرجى قراءة بطاقة تعليمات السلامة
compartment or is placed underneath the seat in front of you. Your seatbelt should be fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. Pushing the metal tab into the buckle and tightening by pulling the strap. After takeoff, you may unfasten your seatbelt when the seatbelt sign is off by lifting the metal flap. However, we advise you to keep your seatbelt fastened in case of unexpected turbulence. In case of a loss in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop down from the panel above you. Pull the mask down sharply to activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. The mask can be adjusted by tightening the elastic bands. Ensure that your own mask is correctly fitted before helping other passengers.
Alapag lang namin ng Oman, Pilipinas, mamaya mga 2 hours pa. Ito ang airport ng Oman. Si Alan, nasa unahan si Alan. Hindi ako inantay.
Beaumont Airport. Sa dagat.
Yan, Pilipinas na. Yan, Pilipinas na to. Gabi na dating natin ito. Alas 10 yan. Alas 10 tayo makakalabas. Alas 10:30.
Yung Saudi na papunta sa atin.
Ito, makauwi lang.
Aswa. Enjoy lang.
Enjoy lang. Sa baba.
Bago yung market nila. Dati maliit yan.
Oh? Dati ka na napunta dito?
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not
Tumatalbog
the
yan pagka lumanding eh.
as they were a year ago.
Palit agad eh, oh.
All will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it
Ay, salad.
stays. Way back a year
Ay, salad, excited oh.
Oh, hindi naman.
I've
Ay,
changed
hindi ba?
for the better this time. I thought
Walang sweldo.
never be fine.
Flying time to Manila will take us 7 hours and 30 minutes. Today, 572 members, you can speak Arabic, English, Filipino, Hindi, and Sinhala. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to our Oman Air Holiday clientele and members of Sinbad Frequent Flyover, including our junior Sinbad Young Travel. Please contact and accompany crew should you wish to be member. Safety regulation for risk carrying may record effectively Sinbad being those conditions. And if you're carrying a pressure device, please inform your cabin crew. If the device is damaged, off, lost, or falls into this structure, we are required to inform our cabin crew. This in preparation for takeoff, and this is of all electronic devices and mobile phones for takeoff. Smoking is not allowed on board. This is of electronic cigarettes. All our cars are protected. For takeoff, we will raise the three tables and controls. Those with seatbelt position in place of high regulation that will controls are under the seat and if you plastic light, and thank you for choosing one. Starting with the screening the safety video to see the tension in the seat. Thank you. Maybe nang gabi tayo.
Kasi nakikita ko. Kasi mo. Nalagay kasi ate.
Yan, nandito na kami sa Pilipinas. Alas 9 dumating. Yan. Shoutout, shoutout. Welcome, Philippines. Yan, dire-diretso lang.
Ay, sabi. Mas ano pa magpapalit. Ano?
Sila naman yung sasakay. Oo.
Kaya ko rin.
Yan, ayan o. Shoutout ka din.
Sangkal ko niya ako, eh?
Oo.
Tapos nag-stop over ka doon.
Stop over kami doon sa Oman.
Babalik ka pa.
Oo. Bakasyon na. Yan o. Yun.
Tapos saan yung terminal nila? Anong tataktan mo? Ano ang terminal?
Doon sa ano, meron dyan paglabas mo ng airport, meron dyan bus. Dumadaan yan doon.
Libre dyan?
Oo, libre yun. Dumadaan yun. Baka meron pa yun dyan, talong mo lang. Oo. Ihatid ka mismo doon sa Terminal 3. Oo. May bus dyan.
Ano? Christmas na rito, oh. Oh. Nasaan yung kasama ko? Iniwan na ako. Ano kasama ko? Si Alan.
Mr. Dream Boy, Mr. Dream